Hi, my brownies! How are you all? It's Miss Brownie here, and this is my first time showing my face on my YouTube channel, and I think probably my first video on YouTube with my face on, and I'm super excited for this video. This video is all about the gifts that I received on my birthday. So, my birthday was on 28th of April last month, but it delayed because of COVID, and the shipments got delayed, the parcels came late, but I'm super excited to show you all what all I got for my birthday from my crafter friends. And there are a lot of beautiful creations they've sent me, and I'm super blessed to have such an amazing crafter friends. Trust me, I'm so nervous and I'm blabbering, but I think it is natural and I want it to be natural in this video. Also, I would not take much of your time and get started with what all gifts I got. After we see all the gifts, I'll come back and we'll have a small chit chat. Until then, go and watch what all I got. Are you excited? Let's get started. Hi, let's see what all we got. So the first gift is from Tripti. She's the owner of Vani Creations. She sent me this beautiful purple lavender tone raisin keychain. And the next gift is from Ondrilla from Just Handcrafted Things. She sent me this beautiful hamper which is yellow and summer and sunflower themed. It has beautiful shaker cards with my photos. Also, it had embellishments which I've already used in my card, so I could not show you all. Also, this beautiful tag which says I love brownies. That's so cute. I definitely love my brownies a lot. Then this face mask, because I'm currently into face mask and I'm gonna use it and glow more. And this beautiful pouch. This is like a sequence pouch, and I really love, such playful and cute gifts. I can just play around with this pouch the whole day. It has a small note which says earn more and keep me surprising, which is true. I love to give random gifts to Ondrilla, and I'm gonna surely earn and give you a lot of surprises. And thank you, Tripti and Ondrilla. You both always make me smile a lot. You are my support system. The next gift is from Rashi. She's the owner of the art box, and she sent me this beautiful monochrome frame. It has clips and my beautiful black and white photos. I love monochrome projects, and that has my heart. The next gift is from Ria. She's the owner of Craft Room 22, and this gift was really unexpected. Thank you so much, Ria. It has a handwritten card and this beautiful clip. Also, that's just not it. She has given me beautiful, cute shakers. One is orange slices. They look super delicate, and I just love the quality of these. And the second one is a chickpeas. See that cute little chickens, and both are from DMC. Thank you so much, Ria. Next, I've got a beautiful pile of gift, I can say, from Neha. She's the owner of Craftasy, and I just love each and every element of this gift. And this was my first gift that arrived. So it has a handwritten note, this beautiful banner which is so detailed, and I love how pretty it looks. It's gonna definitely be on my crafty wall. Thank you so much for your efforts, and congratulations on your 5k achievement. Many more to go, you girl. And this beautiful scrapbook, it is so pretty. If this scrapbook was a cake, I would have definitely eaten it up as soon as I saw it, but ignore that synonym. This beautiful scrapbook really has my heart because it is so pretty and well made. Also, I really love the effort she has put in making it. Handmade gifts are always love, and that bow, that will stay with me forever. This beautiful shaker wall hanging kind of a thing, you can say. It has photos, quotes, and just pretty. Used making fuse tool, and I love it. The next gift is from Vani. She's the owner of Custom Craft, and this was again unexpected. And thank you so much, Vani. So this is actually my logo that she has made using quilling. I don't know quilling, and trust me, this looks so pretty, and it is exactly like my logo right here. I really appreciate your efforts and it's super pretty. Thank you so much, Vani. Next is a gift from Bhavya. She's the owner of Crafts and More. This was actually an unexpected gift. I had bought some things from her and asked her to send me a birthday card along, but she wrapped in this beautiful pink holographic wrapping paper. She sent me so many gifts. This two beautiful sequences, and along with that, she sent me this A4 paper pack, which is 180 GSM, I guess, and it's very pretty. I love the print. Along with it, she has given me this beautiful A4 size paper pack, which is quite thick, and I love the colors. It's subtle pink, black, and red toned. It's perfect for love theme projects. So thank you so much, Bhavya. We are just connected recently, and she's super sweet. And by far, I think I just can't pick my favorite gift. All the gifts are my favorite, and many more to come. Just wait, we are just halfway. And that's the paper bag and tag sheet. Next is from Divya. She's the owner of Ganesa Craft Fantasy, and she sent me this beautiful gift with a mask. So thoughtful. I love this gift because it is like party for a crafter. It is such a huge pile of gift, I can say. She has sent me almost 37 sequin mixes, and all the sequences are unique and one of a kind. I love the effort of making these sequences. I love that she packed so many of them for me, and it was a really big surprise for me to get these, and I really love them, Divya. And we are like good friends now. I think crafting has such a beautiful humans in this community, and I've really made a lot of good friends. So if you think that these sequences were the only gift, you are wrong. She has sent me something way much more along with the sequences, which is coming up. And if you need these sequences, you can anytime DM her. I'll link all the crafters links in the description, so you can contact them if you like any of these products, and they can make it for you. So along with these sequences, she has sent me these fussy cut collections of her, which is pre-cut tag sheets or tags, which can be directly used in the project, and all in foiled and colorful. Oh god, it doesn't even look like it's hand cut. It's completely perfectly cut, and I love that she sent me huge pile of again these tags, and I just love them. Thank you so much, Divya, for these, and you can surely check these out on her page. And then she sent me the 6x6 inch tag sheets. Actually, I thought it was a paper pack, but she sent me tag sheets of all her collections, which is, I think, the most sweetest gesture, and I love all of them. I really don't want to use them. They are super cute. Thank you, Divya. Next is from my another sweetheart. Her name is Arushi, and she's the owner of Artisans Love Supply and Artisans Love Official. She sent me this beautiful 6x6 inches paper packs of 4 of them. I love the prints. They're very subtle and very, sophisticated look. Along with it, she has given me a handmade card and this beautiful acetate. It's a foiled acetate, and trust me, the quality is amazing. And I love them. I've used them in my projects. I'll be surely uploading projects on my Instagram, so stay tuned. This one is my favorite. They are super nice, Arushi. And this is a flip through of all the 6x6 inch paper packs that you sent me. So Arushi is actually one of my favorite crafters, and she makes some amazing tools. She has some amazing launches on her feed. You can check her page out as well. And I got to know her when I was a brand influencer for her page. She's a very sweet soul, and she's always there to help me whenever I'm struggling with something. It's really nice to find good friends in business field. So yes, she's one of the sweetheart. And I usually don't use 6x6 inches paper pack because it's quite small and dainty, but this is like a challenge, and I'm going to use it in the best possible way, Arushi. And this baby theme paper pack, I've made a project of this. I'll link it in the description. You can go and check it out. It's one of my most favorite projects. Apart from this, she has sent me a handmade acetate trifold card. It's completely made by her using binding tool with such pretty sequences. I love the finish. I love the way it looks. It's just a unique product, and thank you so much for sending this. I love it. Also, ignore the background. The wind was quite strong that day. So yeah, I love this gift. Thank you so much, Arushi, for this. Along with this, I asked her for one paper pack. Like, I really liked it when it was on her feed, and she was really kind enough to send me these. And these are like the rainbow themed paper pack, which is super cute and pretty. I love all the prints, and I just don't want to cut them and use. But I'll surely make a beautiful project out of this. So these were all the gifts I got from my craft friends. There's one more gift which I got, which I'll be revealing on my Instagram, so stay tuned. Wasn't the gift so pretty? Oh my god, I just loved all the gifts. I am super like happy receiving all of them, and these were all out of love, and I feel like so nice when I got these. I was so happy while I opened all the gifts. Also, the craft materials were so cute that I don't even want to use them and just keep with me for like lifetime, and I'm gonna cherish all these gifts throughout. And also, thanks to all the crafters who took effort, time, and made these gifts for me despite their heavy and busy schedule and despite the COVID situation. These are the small things, these handmade gifts, makes everyone happy. That's why we always want you to look on the perspective of handmade gifts. Also, I've linked all the crafters page in my description. You can go follow them and see their creations and appreciate, because I think for us the support is not you buying from us. It will make us happy, but the overall happiness is you following us, liking our posts, supporting our little achievements, and being there along with us in this journey. And I always wanted to come to YouTube and talk so much, but I was super nervous, and I think I'm finally ticked my wish list, and this is the first time. Just I'm gonna come more often, talk to y'all. Let me know if you liked this kind of a video where I come and talk to y'all, or you just want to see DIY tutorials and whatever you want. You can comment below, and probably we'll catch up soon. I don't know how to end this, but thank you so much for watching my video. Do like, share, comment, subscribe, and share with your loved ones. Until then, it's bye from Miss Brownie.